Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice, Act 4, Scene 1. I already taught up to line 110. Today I am going to teach from line 111. Before starting, let me recap a little. Act 4, Scene 1 opens in a court of justice in Venice, where the Duke calls Antonio and expresses regret that he had fallen into Shylock's trap. Next, Duke advises Shylock to show mercy at the last minute, but Shylock was determined to take 1 pound of flesh from Antonio. Antonio soon resigns to his attempt as he figures out that it is hopeless to expect mercy from Shylock. The Duke then announces that unless that doctor from Padua who is to decide the case soon appears, he will have to adjourn the case as he cannot allow things to take such a harsh course. Now, let's start from here, okay? Up to here I already taught. Duke, bring us the letter, call the messenger, okay? The Duke is telling, bring us the letter, call the messenger. Means bring the letter to us and call the messenger. Bassanio, good cheer Antonio. What man courage yet the Jew shall have my flesh, blood, bones and all. A ray too shall thou lose for 1 drop of blood. Now Bassanio is cheering up Antonio, okay? Bassanio is telling Antonio, be cheerful Antonio. Have courage. The Duke shall have Bassanio's flesh, blood, bones and everything before Antonio loses even 1 drop of blood. Then Antonio is telling, I am a tented weather of the flock. Okay, what is Antonio telling? I am a tented weather of the flock. Tented weather means like a diseased ship. Antonio is comparing himself like a diseased ship in the herd and hence fittest to die. He is telling that he is fittest to die. He is the weakest kind of food. Okay, and that he will drop to the ground earlier. Okay, and so let him drop. Antonio is telling that let me drop, that is let me die. Okay, let me drop means let me die. Okay, then he is suggesting Bassanio that after his death Bassanio should write his epitaph. Now epitaph means written inscription on the tomb. And when Antonio would die, someone has to write the epitaph and he is giving this job to Bassanio. After that, enter Nerissa dressed like a lawyer's clerk. Okay, Nerissa is entering. Okay, now Duke is asking Nerissa, come you from Padua, from Bellario? Okay, that have you come from Padua and have you been sent to by Dr. Bellario? Nerissa is replying that yes, I have come from both. That is from Dr. Bellario as well as Padua. Dr. Bellario sends you his greeting. Okay, Nerissa is telling Dr. Bellario sends the greeting for Duke. Now Nerissa presents a letter. Now Bassanio is asking, okay, Bassanio is asking the Duke, why does thou whet thy knife so earnestly? Okay, Bassanio is asking Shylock that why is he sharpening his knife so enthusiastically. Shylock is replying to cut 1 pound of flesh from the body of Antonio. Okay, what is Shylock's reply? To cut the forfeiture from the bankrupt. Now bankrupt means one who has lost all his money. That is Antonio. Okay, he has lost all his money. Okay. Now Grishanio is telling, okay, what's Grishanio telling? You are sharpening your knife not on the sole of your boot, but upon your soul. That is Shylock's soul, that is full of hardness. Okay, now Grishanio is telling, okay, what is Grishanio telling? Okay, Shylock is telling that no, none that thou hast wit enough to make. It means that Shylock is telling that no, none that you are clever enough to make. After that, Grishanio is telling, okay, what is Grishanio telling? Oh, be thou damned inexecrable dog. Okay, Grishanio is telling that, oh, you may go to hell. Grishanio is telling this to Shylock, you may go to hell, you merciless dog. Okay, inexecrable dog means merciless dog. Next is telling that, and for thy life let justice be accused. Okay, let justice itself be accused for allowing Shylock to live. Next is telling that because of Shylock he started believing on Pythagoras theory. Before he did not used to believe in Pythagoras theory. Now who is Pythagoras? Pythagoras was a great Greek philosopher. Okay, and what was Pythagoras theory? According to Pythagoras, after the death, okay, the souls of animals put themselves into the bodies of men. Grishanio did not used to believe it, but after seeing Shylock, Grishanio started believing Pythagoras theory. According to Grishanio, Shylock's soul lived in the body of a wolf. When that wolf was hanged for killing human being, his soul flew away and entered into Shylock's mother, and therefore Shylock is having the soul of the wolf. Therefore Shylock is wolfish, bloody, starved, and ravenous. Okay, therefore Shylock is wolfish, bloody, starved, and ravenous. This Grishainu is telling. Up to then this much. In my next video, I will continue with this. I will continue with this scene. Until then, goodbye.